Slow day and a sweater so warm. The kettle hums, the morning is born. The smell of coffee fills the air. Life moves gently, I don't care. A cozy day with coffee in my hand. Time slips through like grains of sand. The best moment right here, right now. Coffee and peace, that's my vow. The steam swirls like a waltz in the light. The window frames a soft gray sight. No rush, no plans, no ticking clocks. Just the warmth of my favorite